Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video at the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2012 Ford Edge 3.5 V6 two-wheel drive. It's a SEL model. And we're doing the CV axles on it. Got some brand new CV axles. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get that done, man. Stick around, let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, so you want to hit this bolt here. That CV axle nut. It's a 36 mil. Got that off. You want to remove this bolt right here. Take that off so we can get that line off of this strut. That's going to be a 10 mil bolt right there. Alright, that's a 21 mil. I want to get that nut off, break that free, and then we can back these on out. And that just falls down. So basically, that nut right there is a 21 millimeter, and that's what you're going to take off and then push those through. Remove that so it don't pull. Tap that through. I just use my hammer. And we want to get that in. I'm use a pry bar and a hammer. Got the pry bar and the pan up under just in case. And I already know it's separated, but you want to just get up in between there. Just like that. Alright, so now we can come up top and just pull it out. Yanked it out. That thing started pouring out. Man. That's going right back in there. Now it's the same procedure on the passenger side. So I'm gonna fly through that. Alright, so we're gonna get back here. Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed it down. I'm gonna go ahead and try to tap it with my hammer and get it on out. Alright, we knocked it out. So I just used the end of this, just tapped it with my hammer. So this is the passenger side. That's that part number. And the driver's side. This is a two-wheel drive. So I got some grease I'm gonna put on here. Put right on that thread, on that, right there. And a brand new one, so that don't rust up and seize. Alright, we up in there. You want to use a rubber mallet to tap it in. Alright, we got our grease on it. And that's going to be it for the driver's side. And that axle nut is torqued 258 foot-pounds. And that's the passenger side. Alright, we want to top it back off with that transmission fluid. That's the dipstick. You want to put a funnel down in there, open that up. Get you a long one and reach down in there. Alright, fill that up, top that off. Go ahead and start it up and switch the gears. Switch it in all gears and let the fluid run through it. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.